Relationships can be a source of joy, but they can also be a source of pain. The Stoics teach us that while we cannot control others, we can control how we respond to them. When it comes to love, it's easy to lose yourself in emotions. But the Stoic approach is to stay grounded, to observe, and to act with reason. If you suspect that someone is playing you, it's time to step back and look for the signs, not out of fear, but out of self-respect. In this video, we'll explore 5 hidden signs she is playing you through the lens of Stoic wisdom. These signs are not about blaming or judging, but about understanding and protecting your peace of mind. The first sign is inconsistency. Does she say one thing but do another? Does she promise to call but never does? The Stoics teach us to focus on actions, not words. As Epictetus said, what matters most is not what you say, but what you do. If her words and actions don't align, it's a red flag. A person who truly cares for you will show it through consistent behavior. If you notice inconsistency, don't ignore it. Use it as an opportunity to reflect. Ask yourself, is this relationship bringing me peace, or is it causing me stress? Remember, you deserve someone who values you enough to be honest and consistent. Don't settle for less. The second sign is self-interest. Does she only reach out when she needs something, a favor, money, or attention? The Stoics teach us to value relationships based on mutual respect and care, not convenience. Seneca once said, "A true friend is someone who is there for you in good times and bad." If she only shows up when it benefits her, it's a sign that she's not truly invested in you. This doesn't mean you should confront her with anger. Instead, respond with calm and clarity. Set boundaries. Protect your time and energy. A Stoic knows that self-respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. The third sign is avoidance. Does she shy away from commitment or serious conversations? Does she dodge questions about the future? The Stoics teach us to seek clarity and honesty in all aspects of life. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." If you're constantly wondering where you stand, it's a sign that she's not being transparent. A healthy relationship requires open communication. If she's avoiding commitment, it's time to ask yourself, is this what I truly want? Am I willing to settle for uncertainty? The Stoic answer is clear. Choose peace over chaos, clarity over confusion. The fourth sign is disrespect. Does she flirt with others in front of you? Does she make you feel unimportant or undervalued? The Stoics teach us that respect is non-negotiable in any relationship. Epictetus said, "No one can hurt you unless you let them." If she's disrespecting you, it's a reflection of her character, not your worth. Don't let her actions shake your confidence. Instead, respond with dignity. A Stoic knows that self-respect is more important than any relationship. If she's playing games, it's time to walk away. You deserve someone who treats you with the respect you deserve. The fifth sign is indifference. Does she make an effort to understand you, your dreams, and your struggles? Or does she only talk about herself? The Stoics teach us that true connection requires empathy and effort. Seneca said, "One of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and to be understood." If she's not making an effort to understand you, it's a sign that she's not truly invested. A Stoic knows that love is not about grand gestures. It's about the small, consistent acts of care and understanding. If she's not showing up for you, it's time to reevaluate the relationship. So, what do you do if you notice these signs? First, don't react with anger or desperation. The Stoic way is to respond with calm and clarity. Reflect on the relationship. Ask yourself, is this bringing me peace or pain? Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." In this case, the best response is to walk away with dignity. Don't let her games define you. Instead, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, you deserve a relationship built on respect, honesty, and mutual care. Don't settle for less. Now go out there and live with Stoic wisdom and self-respect.